Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Today is Friday, July 12, 2024, Day of the Ox. Best color, blue. Ox is related to yin, female. Earth, Kund, G-U-N, and its color is yellow. Activities would be preparing the pots for your plants. Clean all the plates, mugs, and pile them in your cupboard. Ang araw pong ito ay araw ng Biyernes, Hulyo 12, 2024, araw po ng baka. Blue ang pinakamagandang kulay. May kinalaman din ang ox sa lupa, kaya mahalaga din ang pag-ipon nito o paglalagay ng mga pot at paghuhugas ng mga plato, baso,